Hey everyone, welcome to the first AMS Automotive Evolution North America Conference right here in Dearborn, Michigan, the heart of the automotive industry near to Detroit. And we're so excited to have just kicked off the cocktail reception to this event where we brought together manufacturing engineering, innovation and technology experts to start talking about the transformation happening in the North American automotive industry. We had a presentation from GM's Brian Breuhan, who is one of the leaders in advanced manufacturing engineering, talked about digital twins, industrial metaverse, the massive opportunities that are happening across the sector, gave a great groundwork and what we should be considering, what the barriers are, what the challenges are, both from a technology side as well as a cultural and organizational side. There's really very little time to lose in improving efficiency and processes across automotive manufacturing. Keep up with us here at AMS. We're going to be sharing more from leaders from GM, Stellantis, Ford, and many more. You've seen we've had a great set of experts turning up, and there's so much great conversation happening. But you can learn it all from us at AMS and right here at AMS Automotive Evolution North America.